Hello guys, nice to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript assignment operator. So let's see how many assignment operator we have in JavaScript. These are most basic assignment operator in JavaScript. There are other assignment operators beside this, but they are not important. So in this tutorial I'm going to cover these 7 assignment operator. In our previous tutorial we learned arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, module and exponential. And if we use it with equal sign, then we call it assignment operator. Our first operator is equal to operator, means assignment operator. Example, if we want to assign y value in x, in that case we can use this operator. It's mean x assigned with y. Then come addition operator. Example, x plus equal to y. If we use this operator, it's going to assign a new value to our x variable. It's going to add y value with our x variable and override our x variable. Similarly, for subtraction, it's going to minus y value from our x value and override our x value. Similarly, for multiplication, it's going to override our x value. Suppose our x value is 3 and our y value is 10. Then it's going to multiply 10 with x, mean 3 with 10. And it override our x value 3 to 30. Similarly, it's work for division, module and exponential. So moving forward, and let's start the practical. Here you can see side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already opened our old HTML document named index.html. As you can see, our x variable value is 10 and our y variable value is 4. If we add this to value, it's written 14. So here you can see we use our first operator, assignment operator. We use it for assignment purpose. Using this operator, we can assign a value to our variable. Similarly, we assign 4 value with y variable. And in our z variable, we add this to value. For now, I don't need this z variable, so I'm going to comment out this line. As you can see, our x value is 10. And now I'm going to override our x value. X equal to x plus y. And if I print x here and then save this file, as you can see, it's also written 14. So our new x value is 14, not 10. But now I'm going to use assignment operator for this calculation. So I'm going to comment out this line, and in the next line I'm going to type x and I'm going to use addition equal to operator. Addition equal to y. If I save this file, as you can see, it's also written 14. If I change the y value 4 to 5 and then save this file, as you can see, it's written 15. So as you can see, for the same calculation, we use 3 different lines. Here we just override our x variable with plus equal to assignment operator. This example is same as this line. If we use this assignment operator, basically it reduces 1 character from this line. So again, I'm going to change the y value 4, and now I'm going to use minus equal to operator, means subtraction equal to operator. If I save this file, you can see the result. If we minus 4 from 10, it's written 6. So our new x value is 6. Our next operator is multiplication equal to operator. Star equal to. If I save this file, as you can see, it's written 40. Now it's multiply 10 with 4. That's why it's written 40. And our new x value is 40. Similarly, we have division equal to operator. If I use this operator, as you can see, now our x value is 2.5. And our next operator is modulus equal to operator. If we use this operator and save this file, as you can see, our new x value is 2. This operator always return reminder. That's why it's written 2. Let's jump into our last operator, which is exponential operator. For exponential operator, we need to use double star sign. Star star equal to. If I save this file, as you can see, it's written 10,000. It's mean 10 to the power 4. It's going to multiply 4 10 at once. That's why it's written 10,000. It's multiply 10 4 times. So I hope now it's clear for you what is assignment operators. Basically, we can call it shorthand of arithmetic operator. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.